Hi there. This video is going to supplement the how to create a mind map in Google Maps video that was produced by Google. It just neglected to say a couple things that are going to help you guys to do this without any crazy struggle. So the point of creating the map is that students get to choose a country, and if you're like me and teach Spanish, we have lots of choices. Obviously, if you are teaching Chinese, it's a huge country, so maybe assign region. Same thing with France or Germany. Um, so you can have your students choose a region and maybe talk about 10 locations that they're going to find and go to on their trip. And then you can choose the grammar and vocabulary that they're going to be using. So on the map that I created, I chose to use the near future. I am going to go. You could also have this be a past tense narration. I went. And in Spanish and French, that would be really helpful with the preterite and the imperfect tenses. So the thing that I want to show you is that, first of all, this is my map. It's my trip to Spain. And I'm going to add one more marker. I am totally unfancy with my markers. I didn't do any of the cool icons. You guys, if you want to go crazy, do whatever you want to do. I'm going to click edit so that I know that I can add a marker, and you'll see that first off a little description thing appeared, and then also the ability to add markers and this little route. So say they went in a specific route around the region or country. That's something that you could add to your thing. So I am going to add a marker to Faro, Portugal, because I did get to go to the beach there. So I'm going to go, let's see, La Playa de Faro, the beach of Faro, or Faro Beach. And then I'm going to go ahead and write, Vamos a ir a la playa de Portugal, cerca de Faro. Okay, so we're going to go to the beach, Portugal's beach, close to Faro. Okay, I am going to change this to, let me remember if it's edit HTML or rich text. Rich text, yeah. Okay, so you click on rich text, and that is going to give us the option to add a photograph. Okay, so this was the number one thing I wanted to show you with this video is how to add a photograph. Insert image, and you'll notice it's asking you for a web address or a URL. So what I did is I used my handy new trick that is how to, oops, I'm going to cancel that just a sec. That is how to search an image I can use, and here you can see the lighthouse on this little island near Faro. And so what I'm going to do is go view original image. I'm going to click on that, and the only thing that's going to show up is the image, not the web page. And this is an image that we can use legally, and notice that it is from Flickr. You can see this little icon here is Flickr. So I am going to go back now. I've copied my URL. I'm going to go back, and in order to get to the URL, remember the step I took was not search by image, not visit page, rather view original image. And that's going to be a choice in every single image that you find. I'm going to go back to the Google map. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on that photo icon, and I'm going to go ahead and paste my URL or the web address and hit OK. And now my photograph is going to be a part of this map. I'm going to say save, and I've added my little icon. I have my beautiful image and my Spanish phrase. I think I'm done. I'm pretty sure I'm done. So I am going to share this now. Notice that we have the link. We do not want the link. Rather, just like we were doing with the YouTube video, we want this HTML code that we're going to then embed onto the wiki. So I'm copying it. I'm going to take it on over to the Google Maps, and you'll notice that I did post the tutorial video already. This is the other widget. When you guys post your maps, if you would please write map of, oops, but you don't need to make it the heading size. and make sure that you know where your cursor is so that you're not messing anybody else's stuff up. So I'm going to put mine in between the tutorial and then the students. This is map of Jessica Williams. Please do that. I'm going to click on widget. I'm going to click on other, and I'm going to go ahead and paste that code into that window. Click save, and you'll see the term other widget, and then go ahead and hit save as long as you're sure that you haven't like erased anything or if it's in a weird way. So I'm going to click on that. It is saving, and you guys are going to see my map right here. There it is. Okay, so I can actually pull this around just like I would with a Google map in the window. I can click on it. You guys can see my little photograph. Let's look at the one that I added. Oops, let me pull on this. Wink. Okay, so I'm going to look at my one that's in Portugal and see how that looks. Oops, that's Cadiz. Where's the Portugal one? Portugal, where'd you go? Oh well, I gotta get a little closer. So we'll go closer, closer. Now I'll be able to click on it. Woo! Okay. Come on. Yeah. Oh boy. Okay. I'm never gonna get this, am I? Okay, so that is how you do that. Oh, it's a hand. Okay. Well, you guys will be able to manipulate that better than I, hopefully. So that was how to add a photo to your Google map, and then also how to embed it on the wiki. All right, see you later.